Settings. Your CareStyle 3 Pro Iron has 4 iron settings. Eco. Select the mode button and the single steam symbol will light to indicate the Eco mode. This mode is suggested for most delicate garments like synthetics, silk and blended fabrics. This setting uses the least power. Eye care. Select the mode button and the double steam symbol will light to indicate eye care mode. This mode is suggested for garments like wool, polyester and cotton. Turbo. Select the turbo button and the turbo indicator will light to show turbo mode is selected. This mode is suggested for garments that need a more powerful steam, like thick cotton linen and jeans. Vertical refresh. Select the mode button and hold down for 2 seconds. Both the Eye Care light and Eco light will be lit to indicate you are now in vertical refresh mode. The iron can also be used for steaming hanging clothes. Hold the iron in a vertical position, tilted slightly forwards. Press the steam button while moving the iron from top to the bottom. Steam shot. To steam shot, double-click the steam button on the iron. Now you can store, ready for the next use.